So, do you want to learn coding and become a coder? If so, then don't forget to follow me and comment down that I want to learn coding. And also like, share and subscribe. So let's begin with our today's lecture. Today we are going to be looking at comparison operators in Python. So let's begin. Here I have the table ready for you. So what are comparison operators? Comparison operators are the operators we use to compare values. So if you want to compare whether two variables are same or not, whether a is equals to b or a is greater than b or a is less than b, if you want to compare these, you can do that. So these are the comparison operators you can use. Number 1 is equals to 2 times. This means that if the values of two operands are equal, then the condition becomes true. And yeah, one thing I forgot to mention is these comparison operators will always result in true or false. So the answer will always be in a boolean, that is true or false. So either this will be true or it will be false. So what this double equals to means that whenever both the values are same or equal, then the answer of this whole expression will be true. And the opposite of that is not equal to when they are different. And then we have greater than. When the first value is greater than the second value, then this will become true. And if it is not, then it will become false. And less than means that the first value is less than the second value, then this will become true. If it is not, then it will become false. And then there is greater than and equals to. Now what does this mean? This means that is A greater than B or is it equals to B? So it will check for both. It will check for this double equals to as well as the greater than. So it will check for both the operators, that whether it is greater than or is it equals to. If one of these comes true, then it will be true. And here it is less than, so it will check whether A is less than B or that A is same as B. Now let's see examples. Number 1 is equals to. So for is equals to, let's try 3 is equals to 4. Now guess the answer. Well, of course it will be false because 3 and 4 are different numbers, not same number. Now I have another example which is strings. You can even compare strings. Is hello is equals to by? No, because these strings are completely different. But if I try the same thing here, hello, then I get true because this is exactly same as this. But this also checks for the lowercase and the uppercase alphabet. So if I do lowercase h, then it will be false. So there you go. We have our double equals to. And then we have not equals to. That means is not equal to. So what you can do is, I can just do is 5 not equals to 7. True, because 5 is not equal to 7. They are different numbers. So this will be true. But if I try is 7 not equal to 7, it will be false because 7 and 7 are same numbers. So it will be false here. Now we have greater than. Greater than means if something is greater than other. So suppose I want to check that is 6 greater than 3. Well, of course it is, so it will be true. Now if I want to check that is 3 greater than 5. So it will be false because it is less than, not greater than. And then we have less than. Less than to check something is less than the other. So is 2 less than 5? Well, of course it is, so it will be true. And then is 7 less than 3? False, because 7 is bigger than 3. It is not less than, so it will be false. Now greater than or equals to. Is 5 greater than or is it equals to 7? No, because nor it is greater than 7 nor it is equals to. But if I try 10 is greater than or is it equals to 5? True, because it is greater than 5 but it is not equals to, but it is greater than. If I try is 10 greater than equals to 10, this will be true. It is not greater than 10 but it is equals to 10, so that's why it is true. In this case it is greater than, that's why it is true, and in this case it is equals to, that's why it is true. So it checks for both, either this should be true, greater than, either equals to should be true. So I hope you get it. And then we have less than or equals to, which is the opposite case. Is 5 less than or equals to 10? Let's try different number. 7. True, because 5 is less than. But if you try 8 is less than equals to 8, then also you will get true because it is equals to 8. So I hope you enjoyed this session, and if you did so, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and I'll meet you in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.